And today we are going to clean our kitchen. We are going to do the deep cleaning of a kitchen. So we have got some nice soap. You can see we clean the kitchen in a good way. You can see we have scrubbed it with soap. I applied soap. I have applied on the walls also. You can see, friends, how it is. Because I want my kitchen very clean. And these are the cupboards. I have applied soap over them. And we need to scrub it. It's not so easy. Life is not easy. We need to work hard. You need to scrub all this and make it new. So friends, we'll do our work and then we'll show you the result, how the kitchen is going to look. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hi friends, welcome back. So now I've cleaned my kitchen thoroughly. So now I'll show you how a clean kitchen looks like. But do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. So let's go friends, I'll show you. Look at the wall, friends. The kitchen wall. And this is the kitchen platform. It's just shining, friends. And these are trolleys which we have cleaned. You can see. So this is a neat and a clean kitchen. And this is a dining table. This is a really good kitchen. Neat and clean. Hi friends, good morning, and I hope you liked our video. So do like and do subscribe to our channel. Today we have cleaned the kitchen and the kitchen is just shining. So friends, do work hard and do your work at yourself. And be fit, be strong, and be healthy, wealthy, and wise.